Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Hello Neighbor to DirectX 12 error on your PC Windows system. It's very easy to fix, so try not to skip any steps. Okay, how do you do this? The first step is to type in run. This window will pop up, type in DXDIAG, press enter, and then you'll have a DirectX diagnostic tool come up. On the very bottom, you're going to see DirectX version. Now my DirectX version is DirectX 12, that is great. But if you do not have that, I'll put a URL in the video description below, but you should see a page that looks like this. From here, you can select the language and hit download to download the newest version of DirectX 12. Okay, if you have done that and it still isn't working, go to search, type in CMD for command prompt, right click on it and hit run as administrator. Now this black window will pop up. From here you type in sfc /scan, now all one word, and hit enter. And what this does, this will scan your entire file system for anything corrupt and automatically replace it. This is quite useful. This will take a couple of minutes to finish, but once it is finished, reboot your system and try it once again to see if the error is still there. And last but not least, you can go into your Steam library, right click on the game, go to properties, general DX11 to force DirectX 11. If you did not install the game via Steam, you can still add it to Steam. How do you do that? On this page, library, bottom left, you say add a game, you click on that, you add a non-Steam game, you find it from the list below, you click this little box, you say add selected programs, and that is it. And then you do what I just told you. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe, I really appreciate it.